Hey guys, so for my good website, bad website Smackdown, I'm going to be focusing on the topic of crocheting. So for my bad website, I'm going to start on craftyarncouncil.com. One of the main reasons why I picked this as a bad website is because a lot of the stuff is boring. It doesn't catch your eye, it doesn't keep you interactive, it doesn't keep you on what your task is, and it doesn't really help you in any way. And for someone like me, I need to see how to do it, and I need to do it myself at the same time. They do have videos, but it's not very helpful, and they only have them on knitting. I am not a knitter. I don't knit. So this would not benefit me at all, which kind of is sad because I really need to see videos just to get a stitch. So let's see. Learn how to knit? No. Learn how to crochet. Okay, there we go. Let's see what they have on crochet. Okay, as you can see, the pictures are all drawings. They're not fun to look at. They're not very understandable. They give you the bare minimum of detail. This reminds me of looking at an instruction paper from a piece of furniture that you have to build and wondering what piece goes next. It's not very appealing. Let's see. Oh, crochet abbreviations. What's this? As you can see, it looks like they just head off a nice colorful picture up top, but then the rest is just all wording and not a lot of examples as well. The examples that they give are very dull and not appealing to the eye, not eye-catching at all. So for my good website, I have the Spruce Crafts. The one thing I like about this website is that it's just not meant for knitting and for crocheting. It could be meant for other things like arts and craft, paper crafts, cat crafts for kids, which is great, especially for my future career as a teacher. It just puts a notch on this website. So let's see, crocheting. Alright. One thing that's great is that they have colorful pictures, no drawings. They give you great details in each picture. Let's see. Crochet a hand towel, how to crochet a lovely heart. Oh, I like this website a lot. This is just giving me many ideas of what can I crochet. I have a ball of yarn in my house and I just want to go and crochet. That's just one of my relaxing things to do when I have time. It helps me relax, especially from stressing out on finals. So as you can see, it gives you pictures with great details. It gives you great instructions. And they even tell you exactly what you need. From the other picture compared to the other website, let's go back to it. Let's compare pictures. Alright, so we have these two pictures from the bad website. And then we have this picture from the good website. Completely different. Completely different. As you can see, it's like I can follow along better with the picture from the good website compared to the picture from the bad website. The pictures from the bad website leaves me with questions like, what am I supposed to do next? How do they get there? How did they get there? Let's just keep going down. And they give you everything in detail as well compared to the other one. Let me go back. I was on the same page. Oopsie. And they just give you so many things. Okay. Crocheting beginning project. Let's see what this is. Okay. But as you can see, they give you many options. They even give you options of different things that you would need to use, especially if you want to make any of these great things that they're showing you. Compared to the other one, they really don't show you much at all. They just give you different types of stitches and featured projects. Let's see what they have here. And it's not really intriguing. They want you to go to classes, but what if you're not in the area? It's geared more to their local area compared to their national. And this one is geared more to national, everyone, especially someone who can't get to a class. So the differences between the good website and the bad website are day and night. One has more graphics, one has more information, more detail, more eye-catching information, and more information geared towards crochet beginners who don't know what they need, don't know how to get to what they need to get and get to what they want, especially if they don't even know what they want. They have different types of activities and crochet outfits and anything like that to do. I just want to check out the Kids Zone. Kids Craft, because I just have to. It's my favorite, especially this is great for the classroom for little kids. How to put in a kids craft box, like birthday party decorations. This is great. This is awesome. This is a really, really good website for anyone. It's easy to follow as well. Oh, and look, you can go on, you can do, what is it? You can post it on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram. Okay, so it's also easily shared. That's also a good thing about this website. I hope you like my screencast. Thank you.